In front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. If you are looking for an easy way to multitask on this REALME, here's my favorite one. And the best part is it doesn't require any special apps or tricks. All you actually need is to open two apps you already have and leave them running in the background. When you're ready, go into Background Apps and decide which one you want to use on the top half of your screen. Let's go with REALME. Click on those three dots at the top right corner of it. And when you see this pop-up, tap on Split View. Then click on a second app, and as you can see now, I can use both at the same time. Now, to go back from this mode, you can either go into Background Apps and swipe both, and if you wish to keep using one of them, hold this line in between and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then close the remaining one by clicking on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!